This product is a secret recipe from ancient Chinese emperors and incorporates the achievements of modern medical science and technology. This formula has been verified by authoritative research and has the characteristics of fast onset, long-lasting hardness, delayed ejaculation, and strong pleasure. Main ingredients: this product consists of deer antler, bear tail, Saiga deer whip, New Zealand deer whip, fur seal whip, donkey whip, Saiga deer kidney, maca, ginseng, seahorse, starfish, eurosus, and more. It is refined using more than 40 kinds of traditional Chinese medicines, nourishing effect, aphrodisiac, replenishing essence and marrow, strengthening waist and tendons, replenishing qi and strengthening vitality, kidney deficiency, soreness of waist and knees, impotence and premature ejaculation, loss of sexual desire, spermatorrhea, weakness and decline of sexual function, and excessive nocturia. Dosage: 1. Take 1 pill 2 hours before sexual intercourse. It will effectively induce erection within 3 days. Do not take it every day. 1 pill within 2 days. Take it with warm water. Take it after meals in the morning and 2 hours before going to bed at night. For quick and effective effect, take it with light salt water. How to take it regularly. If you need to take it for a long time, you can divide 1 pill into 4 pills and take 1 pill every day. That is, take 1 pill in for days. Note: avoid spicy, cold, greasy food. People with severe heart disease, high blood pressure, or drunkenness are prohibited from taking this product.